Hi, in this final part of the Rosesor platform demo and getting started guide, we will go over the open call responses, connections, and collaboration features. In order to respond to an open call, you can navigate to the call page, under the call description window, to find the apply button for calls with the form response type, or a message box for calls with the message response type. For form responses, you'll be prompted to answer questions provided by the call creator, whereas in order to respond to calls with the message response type, you can enter a simple introductory message or any information you deem appropriate before submitting. Once a response has been submitted to your open call, you receive a connection request notification, which you can view by clicking on the bell icon on the top right next to your photo, or by navigating to your notifications page. Here on the right side, you can view the responses and either reject or accept the connection request. And on the left side, you will see your messages and inbox notifications from existing connections. Once a connection request is accepted, it is given a dedicated conversation page, as well as the ability to create additional conversation threads to keep side topics separate and easy to reference if needed. You can access all your active connections by clicking the connection icon on your profile page. On the connections page, you can view all your accepted connections and filter according to linked projects, open calls, and spaces. Clicking on any connection will take you to the connection page where you will find your main conversation thread on the right and shared notes on the left. If you wish to add a user to one of your projects as a collaborator or a participant, you can navigate to the Edit Project page and find the Add Participant option on the left. The project dashboard, as we saw in the second part, is a private internal page for participants in a project to manage schedules, plan, share files and updates, and coordinate activities. This has been an overview of Rosesor's main features and the way it aims to enhance networking, collaboration, and mobility opportunities for artists and creative professionals, as well as creative spaces. Thank you for watching.